Hello, this is Jonathan Saavedra, and I want to share with you this opportunity that we have to work from home by reviewing phone calls. This website or this company is called Humanatic. Okay, to begin with, I would like you to leave your email and name and a link leaving in the description, not in the comments. So I will send you an invitation. Then you can make your registration from that link. I'll send it to your email. Okay, the important thing about this company is that you need to have PayPal account, but it needs to be verified. You see that each PayPal account has like a percentage that you have to fill up and complete to 100%, verifying all your information, adding a bank account or a credit card, a debit card, something like that, so you can verify it. That's one requirement. The other thing is that you need to have enough English level, because most of the calls are in English. Some of them are in Spanish, but the most of them are in American English. It's very important for you to understand very well the American English. The only thing you need to do here is review phone calls, and they give you the instructions, and they give you several choices, and then you can like classify each phone call into the correct category. First thing you need to do is to sign up, and the sign up button, and then you need to have a verified PayPal account. In order to do this, it's not possible to sign up if you don't have a verified PayPal account. Okay, then you click here. After you sign into your PayPal account, in order to verify your information, you have to fill some more info about you, and you can put the email of the person who invited you to this company. In this case, if you want to put my email there, just let me know by sending me an email, because well, the email I have in the description is not the same email I use for this. It's a different email. So if you want to do that, just contact me through WhatsApp or Skype, or send me an email to the contact email I'll leave in the description. And this is the platform from within. Money you earn, and there are some gems. This is totally new, because when I started, the platform looked differently. So it's kind of new to me, because I worked some time ago and then I didn't continue. So here's you want to refer a friend, you can put your friend's email address here and send a request. That's something I can also do. If you want to be one of my referrals, I can send you this link. Just follow the link I'm gonna leave in the description, and so you can leave me your email and name there, and contact me through WhatsApp, and I can help you in anything you need regarding this company. With experience I have, well, it's not a long experience, but I know how it works. So you receive 25 gems once your referral earns $10. So that's a good thing. Those gems are used to buy several things in the store. So it's very important. And also you earn gems if you make your phone calls reviewing correctly. They give you gems and you earn money. So here you can change your photo, your name, your display name. You can request a payout. I have only 97 cents. I have earned $37.36. They have paid me that through PayPal, so that's a good thing. I just have 97 cents because I didn't continue working. So you can request a payout once you have $10, or you can purchase the fast cash power app to cash out, and that's in the store. But you can do that. You can purchase that fast cash with gems. So let's check out what is that about. So it has like different levels depending on your work. If you do your job well, they give you levels and they give you more items here that you can buy. You need to have 15 gems to claim a payout of any amount lower than $10. That's a good thing. I have the luck because I don't have enough gems. And then, well, and you need to be like in level 10. So in level 5 there you have some other items and things that are very interesting. You can check them out once you have registered. The items, well, you have several items here: quick rewind, sound waves, well, stuff like that. Categories, you can unlock categories. This is the most common: live conversation inbound and live conversation outbound, and reason for outbound calls. So they pay like 1.4 cents per each phone call. And okay, the menu there, you have the leaderboard. In the leaderboard you can check who is making more money in this company. And right now are these guys here. For example, this guy number 1 is making $53.17 a day. That means, well, that's not bad. The second, well, there you go. You have 25 people there, and they're making good money. $19.25 is making the number 25, so not that bad. I mean, at least in my country, that's money. Friends, this seems to be something that's coming soon. Go back to the little menu, category list, profile, category list. Let's check it out. Okay, there you have the categories you can like work on. You have live conversation, outbound, and then you have like different categories. You can review them by clicking on review. For example, live conversation, outbound service called purpose. There are 180 calls and they pay 0.7 and 2.9 cents. That's like the lowest one, and then you can do the next one, which is a little bit more money. There are a few calls here because it's Sunday, so on Sundays they don't have too much load of work. So but Monday or Tuesday or any weekday is gonna have 1,200, 2,000 or 3,000 calls. The log category list. Here you have more categories. Oh, I have some categories that don't have the blue button because there is no calls there. Category, the low categories, they pay you more, but you need to have accuracy of 90%. You have to have level 4. Some of them needs to have level 8. Look at this one, home service booked. It has 1026 calls and it pays 3.6 to 4.6 cents. That's not bad. You need to be on level 4 and have an accuracy of 90%. And there you go. Like the one that pays the most, well, there's some phone calls in Spanish. If you're bilingual, that will work perfectly for you. For example, there is one Spanish call in this white calling service. Reason for outbound, 29 Spanish calls available. White calling, 2 Spanish calls. Reason not connected, 19. Inventory discussion, 22, and so on. So you can, if you are bilingual, you can make more money by reviewing English and Spanish phone calls. Well, what else can I say about this platform? Let's review. Just as an example, I want to show you what's okay. Now first I'll check something else here. Oh no, let's go and review. This one, which is like the most common. There are no calls pending review. Check back later. So like an explanation that sometimes it shows calls, but you click on review and they show up this message. So no problem, you can check back later. So that's because today is Sunday. So, but if you check it out on Monday, there will be more phone calls. Let's go to this one. Okay, this one is working. Okay, there. Then here you have like, okay, the call is playing. It's kind of long, 3 minutes long. And then you have to check out that you have some features that are not able because my level is too low. If you get more level, you will have more features like this. So outbound service call purpose is like to see what was the purpose of the phone call. What was the purpose? The question is, what was the purpose of this outbound call? So in that little sign next to the question, you will have like an explanation in which cases you will here, but I don't know why it doesn't show anything, but it should show something. So you have 7 choices here, and they explain you that in that little sign next to the question, when you have to choose each one of these options they give you. So to discuss, for example, to discuss a recent service. In this case, if this phone call, it seems to be from a dealership or something like that, or a body shop, or a place where you take your car for service or oil change and that stuff. So this company provides services for different companies like hospitals and clinics and dealerships and different companies like that. For example, you can check each one of these choices and they explain you that very well. So it's supposed to be here. I don't know why it doesn't shows up. If you have any audio trouble, just click on audio trouble, and for example on the phone call you cannot understand because it's too much noise or something like that, just click on audio trouble and then you like report that phone call, and then you can continue with the other one. When the call is not in English, you can check on that. If you don't speak English, you can have a break after the call also by clicking on break after this call. And what else can I say about this? Yeah, you also have a store where you can buy your items with gems. Well, I'm not gonna review this phone call because it's gonna take me a long time, and I don't wanna like make this tutorial too long. So let's go to the store to check it out. Oh, sorry, I think we already have checked that. Resources, let's go to resources. There you have learning library, like tutorials and how things work out in here. You have forums, you have announcements, you have contact support. They have a nice contact support. They answer within 24 hours. Then you have a learning library. For example, let's go to reviewing. Well, it seems nothing shows up here. Let's go back. Let's go to forums. Here you have a forum. I'm new to Humanatic. Well, that would be for newbies. And well, there is a lot of information here to check out, and all the questions you have, you can access to the forum, and I'm sure that someone else has been trying to find out. And announcements, here you have some announcements they make, some updates, some things like that. Or for example, if they need to do maintenance in the website, something like that. Contact support, you can contact them by sending a ticket or asking something, reporting technical issues, different stuff like that. Okay, so if you just have any questions, just let me know. Leave a comment below this video and subscribe to my channel. If you think this would be good for someone is looking for making some income online, well, this is a good opportunity. And as a company, it's a serious company, they pay, they're not a scam or things like that. They are a legit company. Okay, subscribe and share this video if you like it. Bye bye.